Every night I'm going on the grid, texting back, I want you.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl once again, Mabel in Hamburg. If this is your first time coming across this video, I create content to run fashion, beauty and lifestyle. So if you love any of that, consider subscribing and also hit the notification bell so you get posted whenever I upload a new video. And also follow me on Instagram, Mabel in Hamburg. So lovelies, in this video, as you can tell from the title, like I got this beautiful stunning water bottle that I'm gonna unbox with you guys, and oh my goodness, like I'm really happy. You know, I'm a fan of water bottles, and because especially during the cold season, like I do have flu and all of that, so I just need something hot, something warm to always take around me when I'm going to the office and also when I'm going with the kids. And yeah, so I got this beautiful stunning water bottle in a brand called Larq. I don't know if I pronounced the name very well. Larq, okay. And yeah, so it's a self-cleaning water bottle, and yeah, so let's unbox together. So this is how the water bottle came. And if you live in Germany, in Hamburg precisely, I got this from Easter House, and you can also find this I think Cardiff in Berlin as well, or you just go on their website and you can order direct from the website as well. So I got this for 109 euros. So the price tag is still here, 109 euros. Really beautiful, and it in different other colors, but I decided to choose this white color. They have in pink, you know, this rosa pink, you know, and the elegant pink. That's what I'm trying to say. And they've got in black as well, in blue, and yeah, so you have to decide which one you want. And I got the 500 ml, and yes, so let's take it out. Meet the water bottle that cleans itself. So let's open that. And you open this way, and the first thing you see is the water bottle and a little kind of instruction booklet as well. This here, oopsie. So you can see the USB, where you can put the USB to charge it. And so let's talk about the Larq bottle. Beautiful from the inside out. You can tell, you know, from the design, you can tell this is really beautiful. So this is made with a patented UVC lid. The Larq bottle contains a 280 nm UVC lid light that naturalizes up to 99.9999% of harmful and odor-causing germs. It's the world's only mercury-free portable UVC water purification technology. So this water bottle also comes with a USB rechargeable charger. One charger lasts 1 to 2 months, so, and conveniently recharge via USB. So this water bottle is a vacuum insulated stainless steel, double walled electro polished stainless steel, keeps your water cold for 24 hours. This is a very intelligent activation. The Larq water bottle purifies at a touch and intelligently turns on automatically every 2 hours. Did you forget to clean again? That's a question. But your water bottle didn't. So even when you forget to clean your water bottle, this water bottle is gonna clean itself. I will still be cleaning round here, you know, round here, because this is when where you know, whatever you eat, you will have these articles here. And also I think germs also can be here, because these LD lights, this UVC lid is going inside, so it's not definitely around here. So I will still be cleaning at least once a week, or every 3 days I will still be cleaning this myself, you know. And so the inside, the water bottle does it itself. I don't need to bother about that. And yeah, so when you go further, you see another little booklet as well inside. It's called the Safety First. Okay, I just think how to, maybe if it's default, if the water bottle has default, I think this is just the care instruction for the water bottle. And the next one you see is the cable, you know, so to charge, you know, every water bottle comes with this cable, very important. And yes, so as I also read from the website, like, you are not allowed to use another cable on this. It has to be this cable that came with the water bottle. And if this, you have problem with this cable, so you can order another cable, like from this same water bottle brand, you know. And yes, and first when you get this, and the first thing you do after unboxing it, like, you have to press this for like 5 seconds, you know, to just kind of unlock the bottle. You know, you have to unlock the bottle for 5 seconds. You plug this, and then you just see a flashing gray light, and then you know the bottle is unlocked. Press and hold the water bottle down for 5 seconds to unlock the bottle for the first time. A white color light will flash telling you it's unlocked and ready for purifying action. Take the cap off your bottle and insert the Larq USB cord into the cap. Then plug the USB into any USB wall charger or laptop USB socket until the battery is fully charged. So when you see a red light, so you just know there is something wrong with your water bottle, and visit the website for more information. And yes, so I think you also have time, like, to take it back if you have this problem that maybe the light signal or the LD is showing red, so you can send it back, or they will just give you information on the website what to do next, you know. And also you can also open it, but I don't need to do that now. Is a little bit when it's more used and you start having the signal of it showing red and all of that. So this water bottle cleans itself after you charge it. People, hope you guys love this video, and if you do, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you get posted whenever I upload a new video. And also follow me on Instagram, Mabel in Hamburg. See you all on my next video. Love you to the moon and back. Bye.
Every night I'm going on the grid, texting back, I want you, hit you up, I'm on the other side, I miss you, take you off, I came here way too strong, cannot keep it low key, got me drugged, your pheromones hit the